Hello and welcome. In this video, we're comparing Databutton and Bolt.new, two AI-powered coding platforms with very different goals. Databutton is geared toward building production-ready SaaS apps with agentic workflows and deployment tools, while Bolt excels at rapid prototyping and Figma to web workflows. Which one suits your project best in 2025? Let's break it down. Bolt.new is a browser-based AI-assisted development environment built on Stack Blitz's web containers. You can generate complete front-end, back-end, and database code from natural language prompts or Figma designs in under 15 seconds, and even deploy to GitHub or Netlify with ease. It's ideal for fast MVP generation and seamless iteration. However, it relies on a token-based subscription model with pricing tiers starting around $20 per month and struggles with complex logic or long-term reliability. Many users report issues like token burnout, error loops, unstable builds, and poor support. Databutton, on the other hand, positions itself as an AI agent platform designed for full-stack app development. It lets users upload specs and mockups, plans the work, executes it with long-term memory, and handles deployment to scalable infrastructure, all backed by AI and optional human support. Pricing starts around $20 per month, with higher tiers offering expert collaboration. However, feedback is still limited and some users report early-stage performance issues like bugs or credit depletion before meaningful output is produced. So, which one is better? Use Bolt.new if you need to prototype a web or mobile app quickly and visually, especially if you're okay with handling fixes manually and token costs. Choose Databutton if you want a more guided, AI-driven path from concept to deployment, ideally for SaaS or longer-term applications, knowing that it's a newer platform that may still need ironing out. Both tools are legit and strong options depending on how much control, flexibility, and support you need. And that will be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.